Hey guys, Sofia here, and today I'm going to show you one of my cool tricks how to make white chocolate into something even better. So we're going to make something called rainbow bark. When we make the chocolate, it looks like bark when we break it, so that's why it's called rainbow bark. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start with like a piece of plastic on top of some paper. The chocolate that we're using today is called coating chocolate, and the biggest thing with this chocolate is that you cannot overheat it. If you overheat it, it won't be as fluidy and liquidy. It'll be more of like a harder thing to mix. And you can find it at any local retail store. So next what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the white chocolate, I'm gonna put it onto the piece of plastic. So once you have it, I'm gonna take a spatula, and what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna spread the white chocolate. It's okay if it gets a little messy. So now that I spread the white chocolate, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take different colors of the coating chocolate, and I'm gonna just pipe this rainbow design. So you could put it in a bag to heat it, but don't cut the tip until you're ready to pipe. So before I start, I'm gonna cut all the bags. I have all the colors in the rainbow except for the color green. So now that I have all the tips cut, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna pipe the design onto the chocolate. So it's one, I could go red, then I'm gonna go orange, like orange, that's orange. Then I'm gonna go yellow. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take these two edges and I'm gonna flatten it out. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a spatula and I'm gonna just swirl every color into each color. Next what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some sprinkles. Oh my God. Okay. So next what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some sprinkles, and I put the marble on top of a sheet pan so that when I do the sprinkles it doesn't get messy. See, I like a lot of sprinkles, so I'm putting a lot. So next what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab my marble slab that this rainbow white chocolate bark is gonna set on. So I'm gonna grab it. Cold. It's very cold. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna put it right on top of the marble. This is the cheater's way to make my chocolate set quicker. You could put this in the fridge too on the tray, but this is much faster and it's easier. So I'm gonna clean all this sets, and then we will break all the chocolate and see what our design is. So now that the chocolate has set, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you guys the back, and then I'm gonna flip it over. And I'm gonna peel the plastic part off because we don't need the plastic anymore. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna flip it back over, and you can see that it already started cracking. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna break it. So when you're breaking it, you can see all the rainbow colors inside, right here. And you can see all the different colors, and it's just fun to break. Like, who doesn't love to break things? This is a good thing to make for parties. It's very easy, very quick. You could have it anywhere and it's fun. If there's kids there, they'll love it. Okay, so let's see what this tastes like. I love it. Since there's a lot of chocolate in this chocolate rainbow bark, it takes some time to chew, but it's still delicious. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Leave some comments down below, and let me know what you want me to make next. Bye.